Welcome to Holden Forests and Gardens as we share how collaborative working enables relationship development, relationships between staff and our guests, and between guests and our gardens. I'm Caroline Tait, VP of Horticulture and Collections, and you'll also hear from Jessica Miller in Science and Conservation and Annie Rzepka in Horticulture and Collections, and see some of their respective teams as we tell the story of a new collaborative relationship. Holden Arboretum's 3,600 acres are a combination of actively conserved and managed forests and meadows and highly curated designed garden spaces, each with their own mission-driven ethos and approach. At a glance, the boundaries for maintenance responsibility seem obvious, but are they? Curious and started to ask questions about management of the natural areas which connect gardens within the core. One answer to that question was collaboration. An opportunity for land management teams to come together, to share knowledge and learn from each other, to share their ethos and what mission delivery looks like within each department, and to share and refine ideas as we realize the potential in these core natural areas to inform and inspire our guests to take action. Jessica and Annie will tell us more.
The Science and Conservation Department has been a natural fit for this collaboration since we already steward the Arboretum's natural areas. We've native biodiversity and ecosystem health and demonstrate these in our land management ethics and strategies. The Rapid Upland Forest Assessment Tool, or RUFA, was developed at Holden and is the tool that most shapes our land management strategy. But before collaboration, RUFA wasn't applicable in small fragmented natural areas, such as those in the Arboretum core. Small fragmented natural areas are very significant, however, because they represent over 1 million acres of the forested land in Ohio. Therefore, the way private landowners manage their forests is very relevant. And we recognize that if we were able to modify the RUFA tool, it could bolster the health of forests and communities across our state. Since the Arboretum's core natural areas are in many ways representative of fragmented, privately owned woodlands, it was a natural place to start.
Our core gardens display plant collections for enjoyment and educational purposes, from highly designed garden spaces to curated native wildflower gardens. We are uniquely equipped to marry our horticulture and conservation practices, allowing our gardens to act as a bridge to the natural areas, where our disciplines collide in these gray areas to create an ecosystem continuum. The most significant gray area between departments has been the natural area fragments scattered throughout the core. We reviewed multiple locations and considered their capacity to improve guest experience and ecological impact. We ultimately chose the one most visible to guests to become the first sweet spot for our collaborative efforts.
In 2020, personnel from both departments identified that trial area and the mini version of the RUFA was implemented. The resulting standardized scientific data translated what the land was telling us and revealed potential issues and opportunities, which then informed our management directives for these core natural areas.
The mini RUFA was critical to helping us understand what species should be removed and also provided indicators of what these sites have the potential to become. The teams worked together to cut and treat woody invasives, honing our winter tree ID skills, enjoying time together while sharing our aspirations for these core natural lands, and of course, laughing at Caroline's pink pants. Additionally, we discussed their potential to become healthier natural ecosystems, transformed into food forests, wildlife habitat, or native plant gardens, grown from seed of local provenance and sold on site. All these options are inspirational, replicable, and at an accessible scale for our guests, and have the ability to positively impact the mosaic of private land ecosystems throughout Northeast Ohio.
Our first year of collaboration is well underway and we've had fun. Collaboration has broadened our horizons even while staying within our core. Collaboration delivers added value and layers of inspiration for our guests and potential for greater impact in Northeast Ohio residential landscapes. Collaboration means this land is being actively cared for, and that makes us all the happier. And best of all, we had great fun doing it.